From a heavy correction in Nifty 50 to important Q2 earnings updates for companies, a lot happened in the week. Hello, I am Sushruth Sundar and you're listening to IND Money's weekly market wrap-up. Let's see the most important developments. On Monday, the Nifty started off the week on a strong note, gaining for the 7th consecutive session as favorable global cues boosted sentiments. The index notched up a record high intraday. On Tuesday, the index saw a correction as investors turned cautious amid lackluster corporate earnings as well as the prospects of tightening monetary policy to control inflation. On Wednesday, the Nifty continued its decline, led by a fall in index heavyweights Reliance Industries, Infosys and HUL. Stocks such as Tata Motors and IRCTC also saw a heavy correction after significant moves over the last few days. On Thursday, the market declined for the third consecutive session. Profit booking, weak Q2 earnings and negative global cues put pressure on the stocks. On Friday, the index closed lower for the fourth straight session, making it Nifty's biggest losing streak in the last 3 weeks. For the week, the Nifty ended 1.2% lower. Let's look at the top gainers and losers for the week. Kotak Mahindra Bank gained 7.6% while SBI ended 2.5% higher. Asian Paints was the biggest loser, down nearly 10% in the week. Here are some important highlights. A lot of big names from Asian Paints to HUL declared their quarterly results this week. Overall, the earnings have been a bit disappointing, with companies struggling from high commodity prices and input costs in the July to September 21 quarter. Lower demand as well as supply chain issues have also weighed during the quarter. Do read our detailed analysis of these earnings on our website. Rally ends in IRCTC. After huge rally over the last few weeks, IRCTC shares corrected by nearly 45% from their record high in the week. There is news that the government is going to appoint a new regulator for railways, putting pressure on the stock. The stock had also entered into an F&O ban after it crossed 95% of the market-wide position limit as prescribed by the NSE. Nykaa IPO date has been released. The much-awaited IPO of Nykaa to raise up to 5,200 crore will open on October 28th. The price band has been fixed at Rs 1,085 to 1,125 per share. That's all for this week's market wrap-up. We'll be back with more interesting updates next week. Thanks for listening.